Hi girls, my name is Anna. In this video I want to share with you one on the gradient option. To begin, we will do the standard preparation of the nail for the coating. It involves removing the old materials. This can be done with a cutter or a liquid, shaping the nail and of course cutting the cuticle. This can also be done in different ways, but today I will do it with a machine. After the manicure, we degrease the nail and apply dehydrator, then ultra bond. And now we will cover the nails with a camouflage base. For the design, I will need dry pigments. After curing, I remove the dispersion and apply ultra bond to half of the nail. Then I put the pigment on the tip and I blend it. Now cover everything with a top. I have a glassy top, but under a matte top this design will look magical. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do not forget to like and subscribe so as not to miss new video. Bye bye!